are at Fleet Carnival down at Castle Park in Hampshire. Yes, we're here at the funfair. It's only here for a couple of days. So this is Carnival Day, very busy. Little frog hoppers, little fun house, little cars go round, little bounce castles, little trains going around, and the dodgems.
Theo!
Yeah, so it's John Searles funfair. So they're rolling down here, and then next week I think they're going down to. Oh, look at the bumper cars. There's a clown on the bumper cars. The ghost train. Have you ever done a ghost train before? No. Right, so here we go. We're going on this lovely little ghost train here. And go through the doors. It's nice. Open your eyes. It's more scary, right? I'll tell you what's more scary when you don't know it's coming. If you can see it coming, you're fine. Alright? So you get things dangling on your head. Woo! Clown there, what? You're right. There you go, chap. Oh, stop. Okay, you're going to get something tangled on your head in a minute. Woo! It's alright. Time. Time, you're near the end now. You're nearly out. Whoa! Ready? I would uncover your eyes then. So there you go, a little bit of footage there of the Graveyard Express. Yeah, good little one, that one. Very noisy. When it's going. Oh, I'm doing it, ML. Oh, right. Was £4 a go. They're these look awesome. These bump cars, £5 a car. So I think me and Jackson are going to go on the sizzler now. Give that a go.
You got to slide to the end and squash your friend on this one, riders. Rocking it to the left, rocking it to the right. Sizzle's the fastest. R9, make some noise. For Sizzler, how,
attention, please secure all your mobile phones as the management will not be held responsible.
Sit back and hold tight, let's get you moving, let's go. Arms around the small children, please. You must keep your arms around all the small kids in the car at all times.
Riders, please sit back. Hands up, here we go.
Still waiting for it to get going. Jason didn't want to come on today. That's better. That's a lot better.
Hey riders, do you want to go faster?
Yeah!
If you want to go faster, riders, somebody scream!
I know you're gonna dig this.
Slide to the end and squash your friend! This is the fastest ride of the planet. Rocking it to the left, rocking it to the right. This is the fastest all night. Let's go.
Welcome to the power of the city. Extreme power.
Awesome.
Wow, that was fantastic.
Wait for the ride to stop, please, riders. You must wait for the ride to completely stop.
Wow, that was good. That went on for
Open your safety bar.
6 minutes for £4. Well worth it. Really, really good ride there. Yeah, so that sizzler was a really good little sizzler. That was going on for 5 minutes. Really good fun. Yeah, so there's loads of little kiddie stuff to do down here as well. A little arcade, little kiddie flyers. So probably getting Jackson on the roller coaster. We're not going to be able to do it by looks. It looks like it's just kids. So we've got Jackson on the little bouncy castle here. There goes the train. Yeah, get down here and I'll get it up tonight. Get down here tomorrow on Sunday and go on the rides. Yeah, most of the adult ones are £4. £3 for the little kids ones, the majority of them, so yeah, cash, and £5 for the bumpers. Little kids. Ooh. And there's a little Caterpillar train, £2.50, and there's some monster trucks. Huh?
Hold tight.
Okay, riders, sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight with us today.
Okay, riders, we're going to rock you body this time. We're going to take you high. Here we go. Okay, riders, let's see some hands up in the air. Come on, reach them high, reach them high. Let's see those hands up.
Jason's getting a credit we can't. Jimmy Days, Junior. Go Gator.